As my name is Abd El Ghani Fuad Hussein. Now I don't want to toot my own horn, but tooty tooth. Business is booming here at Stealthy Wood. We're selling tons of products every single day, and that means that we're dealing with a bunch of quotations, sales orders, and invoices, all of them. Time, and if we had to take care of those tasks by hand, it would be super annoying and extremely time-consuming. That's why we use Odoo's online quotations to create a quote, send it, and we have our customers sign and pay for it before they even receive an invoice. We can also suggest additional products to customers with these online quotations. Now how does that work, you might ask? Well, think about it this way. Let's say that we sell one of our popular desks to a customer. Now, since they bought a desk, I may suggest a chair or perhaps a laptop. That same customer as an additional purchase to go with the new desk. Now, these optional products appear on the online quotation itself. Then, with a single click, the customer can add those products to their quote and pay for everything all at once. It's just that simple. Now, I don't even need to talk about the customer or to the customer to upsell these products. Implementing optional products like this provides more revenue opportunities while increasing the visibility of other items. It's a real win-win situation. In addition, we can use pre-designed quotation templates that have optional products already built in, which saves our sales team a ton of effort. So enough chit-chat. How about we dive headfirst into our Stealthy Wood database and see how online quotations work with Odoo. Let's kick things off here on the settings page of the sales application, which inside of the sales app can access from configuration settings, and there we're going to scroll down over here to quotations and orders, because we have a few things we have to activate now. Before we get too deep in the weeds here, we'll need to make sure that we have these settings activated. Actually, the online signature checked, online payment, quotation templates, and the quotation builder as well. Now, thankfully, we already have this locked and loaded, but if you still need to enable them, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to click save, and then you can finally move on. Now, something else that you should be aware of is that you'll need the website application installed in order to use the quotation builder setting, but don't you worry, Odooer, if you don't have that app yet. Odoo will automatically install it for you after you activate that setting, and that's pretty convenient. Right, well, now we can finally move on. Now, let's create a quotation template from scratch to get to the proper page.